today's short and important news. Minister of National Defense Mullah Muhammad Yaqub Mujahid met with China's special representative for Afghanistan. Zabihullah Mujahid. Last year, 43 Pakistani citizens were arrested on charges of carrying out terrorist attacks. The Minister of Water and Electricity says that it is trying to increase the production of solar electricity to solve the problems of electricity shortage in the country. Muhammad Halim Rafi, the spokesperson of the Statistics and Information Agency, says that in the month of Aqrab this year, $227 million worth of exports were exported to foreign countries. Officials of Ghuri Cement Factory of Baghlan say that this factory produces 600 tons of cement per day with 720 employees. The officials of Nangarhar Canal Company informed about the construction of orange gardens on 50 acres of land on the third farm of this province. The big project of Toredam in Kabul, which is being implemented from the budget of the caretaker government, 75% of this work is completed and will be handed over for use in the near future. 4 road construction projects have been completed and put into use today by the Kabul municipality at the cost of more than 80 million Afghanis. This year, 118,000 tons of fresh fruits have been exported from Kandahar province. Officials add that they have received 55,547,000 US dollars in revenue from these exports. Provincial officials of Baghlan say that some parts of textile factory in this province have been activated by 80% and the remaining works will be completed soon.